Okay. That should be that. I think I fixed it. I did not fix anything. Hold up. There we go. Alright. Mess around with my camera. It's gotten a lot weirder. But I think that's as good as it's gonna get for now. Alright, cool. What's going on, everybody? My name is Zach. This is I Don't Know Entertainment. I Don't Know Entertainment if you're coming from Twitch. And Zonk if you're coming from YouTube. So it's been a couple of days. Sorry about that. I've been sick. I don't know why I'm apologizing for being sick. My immune system just got compromised. So, we are going to be doing a little more work on the potato game today. Just trying to adjust the camera. Okay. There we go. That's about as good as it's gonna be until it bothers me enough where I just start adjusting it for like 2 minutes. But yeah, let's do some recap of what we did last time because I actually did do some off-screen mining. Yeah, your boy was putting in work. So if I switch over to our dev scene here, you can check it out. You can see we have an invoice screen here. And we had this last time, except this actually does stuff. So if I click play, we go through the usual bits of the game. We're running through it. You can see we got our stocks generating, not quite right anymore. Oh, this doesn't pause anymore. And look at that. Now we have this thing where it says, hey, we paid our stocks off. And now, if we build and we place stuff on it, oh snap, look at that. We have, I can't see my screen anymore, my cursor, which I have to fix once this happens. But you can see we are now bankrupt because we did not have enough money to pay the bill and it took $50. We didn't have the we couldn't pay our taxes, and now we're bankrupt. So that's basically where we are in the game. That's another major mechanic to do. Oh, yeah, and there's no way to actually lose yet. So that is major mechanic number 2 down, I think. Let's check the Notion real quick. You guys can't see what it was about to pop. I was working on a secret thing. Where is it? Here we go. All right. So there's a bunch of stuff here I wrote down, which is not going to happen because it's getting highly outscoped. But let's see. Prevent players from playing certain action when building. Still need to do that. Logic to update game manager to properly tax and build player. That's almost 100% done, actually. But if we look at here, have stream change to charge taxes at the end of every 2 weeks or whatever build cycle. Set up the code to do that. So we're good. Add lose screen for if the player goes bankrupt. We need to do that. Add pause screen, need to do that, and reach the stocks at the end of each week. That's actually done. There's a little error with how the stocks are calculated, so we do need to fix that. But otherwise, I'm assuming no one just screamed right there. We are actually good to go with that part. So let's actually add in this part right. Well, there's a couple things we need to add. One is we need to make it so, sorry, I don't know what that switch was. We need to make it where the game does pause when you open up that little manager screen. I don't know why that stopped. So I'm just gonna quickly fix that to get that going. And then after that here, I'm also gonna change my ring light because there we go. Super bright. And I don't need a reason to get stronger glasses. So let's go back to our script here. And I believe it should be on our finance screen. Just gonna quickly see how this is. This is set the process always. So whenever this is open, the game should pause. So on start cell. This should happen, actually. Oh wait, I wonder, this is signaled from the cell screen. Is that happening because the on start cell screen? Is that yeah, okay, refresh cell screen occurs when the visibility is changed. Which refresh cell screen is caused here? Where's the signal? Cell potatoes. That's just straight up connected to that. So I guess let's look at the finance menu. There's nothing on here that makes it pause the game when things start. Oh, start cell data mint. If action is pressed, open cell screen, which is tab, I believe. If I didn't do that incorrectly. Open cell screen is tab, so this should pause the game by default. So I'm not sure why the time manager was still running. Hey, look at that. Okay. So I think this is just happening whenever this is called. So let's actually go over to our main. Just have this print commerce whenever we open it, because I think this is just being called too many times. Did I do that? Commerce. Nah. What is making it play? Okay, that's weird. Okay, so the time manager constantly moves. Process mode inherit. Main is process inherits from. Is this still running though? This shouldn't be running. Time skip. I'm gonna try this out. Yeah, look at that. Okay. Why does this happen? Let's say I guess the time manager is pausable. That should be that, right? Such resonance feature is paused. Okay, let's try that. So we got time skip. It happens. Okay, something's causing the game to be unpaused whenever we click a tab. So why? So let's search for that. Actually, search in files. It's just paused. Okay, get tree pause true. Starts false here. Get tree pause true here. Here we go. Build cycle screen. Here we go. Input event. If event is pressed up. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so this is just happening whenever I do like the any button. And this is what causes this to occur. So what we want to do is we want to say if event is pressed and visible, if visible is equal to true, that should fix that. So we do that. Yeah, there we go. Okay. That fixes that. Alright. Added visibility. Check to make sure game stays paused. Okay, cool. That's good. The next thing we want to do is we just want to make it, well, really mechanically this is almost done. The only thing really left for the players to do is just have a way to, I guess, continually make money, which we do have by playing. We just need, I guess, a lose screen if the player went bankrupt.
I don't care. I want to kill that frost so bad.
Yeah, I'm sorry. And yeah, I think that's actually really it. We just need a lose screen if the player goes bankrupt, and that's technically like a complete game. That's it. Like what we can do is we can have an autoload script. Like if we go to, let's see, if we close them, let's just close all of these tabs because we don't need those right now. We can make an autoload script called, I guess, stat tracker. New script, call it stat tracker. And what this will be, well, the way this script will work is that it will act as kind of our main way to save everything. So this will contain the amount of properties we own, the replacements of the player saves and quit, which I don't think I'm really gonna add that system. I'm not sure. If they save and quit and they come back, which, or like they just need to, like, we need a way to just track how much money the player made across the game and how many days they lasted. This would go here. So this way we can like switch between scenes and we don't really have to worry about it. So if I do want to switch scenes and I want to just keep track of stuff, we got an auto load. And we can actually just go here, go to scripts, stat tracker. There we go. And add that node as a stat tracker. Can't add load. What?
Oh, whoops.
Oh, okay. Let's try that. That is stats. Okay. So now whenever the player gets money or anything, it's just gonna be updated here. So we're gonna say, let's get a var days passed, and it will be an int. This will be the amount of days the players live in the world, amount of days elapsed, and the current playthrough. We want var max net worth. It's going to be a float, and what this will be, max net worth the player achieves during their playthrough.
Oh, turn that down.
And finally, we need a var update
That's pretty good. What's the name? Get something banks?
max net worth. Or update, I guess update. Yeah, let's do update max.
Okay, don't
Net
even.
worth.
So-
And it'll take a. Oop, this is not a var. This is a func. Func update max net worth.
Alright,
And
let's get it.
this will take a float,
Let's go.
or it'll take an argument amount. It'll be of type float. And it's gonna be equal to 0 by default, and return nothing. And basically, what this is gonna do is whenever the player gets a change in like the amount of money they have in their wallet, this function will update or run, and it will just check to say, hey, what's the current amount that the player has? Is this greater than what it's already counted as the max? Update it. So we're gonna say if amount is greater than max net worth, then max net worth is equal to amount. And it's a simple
There
set.
is no
So
way.
let's go over to the inventory component.
How did you actually manage to run up and just...
And then inside the inventory component, whenever the player, let's see, whenever the player sells a potato, right here, we will call that function. So we're gonna add another one. We're gonna call this one stats dot update max net worth, and that is going to be our wallet. And I don't know if the wallet's a floating or is it manager. Let's see if that breaks stuff. I wonder if I turn this into a float, it'll break it. Let's check that out right now, actually. I want to put some potato patches. And we'll plant some spuds. Check to see where they are on the stock prices here. And we'll also make it whenever like we click it and we have the active scene, it will actually switch to this. Ooh, okay. What's that?
Alright, that's enough of that.
Alright. Let's see where we're going here. I'm bankrupt because I owe $190. Oh, because I also did water. Okay, great. So I'm glad that didn't break anything. So what we need to do now is just have it. So whenever the player, I think we just updated the net worth thing. So now let's go to the time manager and introduce the days past part. So days past. Where's that Prince message I have where it's like new day, new stocks? I think it's a signal. So on like the actual day's progress and like the week's progress pack, what I have to do for
Did
this?
I just get killed? Wait, what happened?
New day mid
What happened to me?
progress.
I know damn well you cannot get spot. Yo,
I'm not
saying
sure what this
yes,
does. I should have commented
I'm sorry,
out
dude,
what that
but I'm
does.
saying
Recess at
yes,
the beginning of
bro.
the week. Use for playing points in the stock graph. That's what it is. Okay.
I'm so serious.
So something's going on there. Glad I commented it. Jeez. I would not know what
Alright,
that
bro,
is.
don't kill me next time. Maybe I won't.
So we're gonna
yes.
say whenever the
Jesus,
days
40
pass, we're
words.
going to say stats. I have a stat. What's stat track? Oh, that's the thing I made. Stats dot days pass is equal to days pass. There we go. And we can reference that whenever we get to the final scene. I don't know how to actually switch scenes.
That's what I
Now that I
thought.
think about it. I've always had everything under the main scene, and then I just like pop them in and out. We'll add that later. Once we like get to the point where we make the like the blue screen. So that should handle that. Let's just run the game. Go to here so we can just keep the track of the stats. Days past is 0. Net worth is also 0. Let's go here. Days past 1. Days past that. There we go. There we go. Pay the invoice. Now let's get a potato patch. And let's spud that up. I think this is too fast for, yeah, no, I'll go bankrupt. Because it was $20 for the taxes and, I'm sorry, is that $50 for water? Jesus, all right. Sweet, that works there. I'm assuming the network part works too. That should be good. Let's actually slow down our time manager. I think, is rotation rate? The rate's on rotate. This rotation, day threshold. The rotation day changes and build threshold. Oh. Well, I set it to 7. I set it to 14. That gives us a little more time to actually change it. And I don't know if the higher the rate, the faster it'll go. So I lower. See what that does. That's so if I do 10, that's gonna be really fast, right?
I swear the boss she's bug, bro.
Nah, does rotation rate actually do anything? It should.
Oh, W diversion. And now you actually go through it, and then you peek.
Okay, so
he's reloading.
Sun rotate X is equal to rotation rate times
Oh my
delta.
god.
So if I set that to 100,
Okay.
it's just like it never changes.
Yeah, he tried knife.
So if I set that to like 0.1, what's the sun gonna look like? Should be really slow, right? Nah, this just never changes it. Okay. That's weird, but
Do we keep going SMG or do we just go what we want?
is this being controlled by anything? No, it's not.
That's his SMG is really
So if I set this to 0, the sun should never rotate.
yeah.
If not, that's a different problem. Yay, we got a different problem. Is it just not using that for some reason? Is the main control? The main should have no variables on it to control anything. And econ manager, water burn percent. What does this do? Amount of water. Oh, the amount charged to player based on how much water they used. Okay, yeah. So it's like half of the. Okay. Yeah, that's Okay.
Are you stupid?
Very current centigrade. Yeah. Okay. So this should be working. Not sure why changing my rotation rate doesn't do anything. If I do this.
Yeah, it's like some... Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay.
Why do you lie so much?
And oh wait, is it because we're rotating? Does this take a angle flow?
Not on everything you
Okay.
love that you did to kill me.
So rotates the local transformation around the x-axis by angle and radius. We multiply that by the delta. So just for funsies and because I don't know how math works, if I do
Well,
this
that's your fault, I think.
and
Yo, that is,
I
oh
just
my god.
do that, and if I add this right here, and I comment this out, what's that gonna do for
Don't
me?
even.
Nothing. Okay, so what's causing this to not work?
Reposition in his. The flip.
So if I set this to, like I thought, like 0.1, oh god, okay,
Oh, she's.
and I set this to happen,
Okay. You know IQ's being weird.
right now the sun should be rotating very, very slowly. So we got that.
Oh my.
Let's go here.
Oh my god, out the window. Lordy lord. It's just like you.
Okay, it's just not rotating at all. Okay, so if I change it to, let's say I change rotation rate to 1,
My
let's see what that looks like.
god. Is she seriously still there? She is.
Are we actually getting rotation on delay?
Just do it at this point.
That's what we need to be checking right now.
No way.
And we'd be rotating around the x-axis, which it knows by default.
No
so.
way. You might as well get somebody to. Can you reset yourself?
Okay. And I have it
Oh, it
set to do that.
suburbs, right?
Okay, now it's just not
She's seriously
happening.
She's still there.
Okay. Okay.
Oh my god. I'm not use the SMG for this one. Oh my, she's
Is it?
so weird.
Is it like responding? It's okay. Now it's responding to this one. That's good.
Jeez.
Sun goes down.
Jesus.
Day passes.
I'm 0-3 now.
Okay. Now if I do 2.
Oh, if I didn't get freaking TK at the beginning, I might have been able to do something.
Okay. Got something a little more controllable. That's what we wanted. Okay. Now what we need to do is... I forgot why I was even doing that. Oh yeah, I was just doing that to test the network part. Let's add in... I don't know. What do we need now? We need a loose screen. That's what we need to do. And I will...
Put that on your soul.
Yeah, screw it. Should we make like an entire new scene for this? Or should we just like have it inside the canvas layer here? Where it's like, hey, the game pauses and you lose. Ah, no. I'm gonna do that. We're gonna see how far I can, or at least how simple I can make all of
That's
this.
actually hard.
So we're gonna make a, I think it's called a, yeah, it's true, called a panel.
No way.
I'm gonna call this one lose screen. Save it under UI. Here we go. And we are going to go to our 2D thing. We're gonna have it fill the entire screen and give it the theme of retro and theme override of Soundbox flat. Cool. Then let's add in a label like that. Add some text. Game over, and let's do that. Cool. And we're gonna make that center and center. And let's game over. And we're gonna make their social stream over font size. Screw around with that. There we go. Awesome.
Oh my god.
Let's do that. And
Oh.
hey, Deus Ex Nexus, what's good? Ability to gain starches. You know, if I add the refinement mechanic, we'll do something with that. I want to make it like, so like people can make like vodka and then just be like rocket fuel. It'd be like really high,
Where are you? Where are you?
like really high alcohol content vodka. Also, welcome to the stream. How you doing today? Oh man, I can have fun with that. Can I have a gradient? Should I do a gradient?
Oh! Oh my god, James!
Yeah, the Hollow Knight character was just like, you know, I like it, it differentiates, and I was playing a lot of Cult of the Lamb when I chose the stream avatars. I don't own the rights to the game. I do own a copy of the game, though. I thought that'd be fun. Until I actually make my own characters at a certain point.
Bro, you can't blame me when he's prone on the ground after you damn near shot him.
Let's go to the Soundbox flat here. And let's go background color. Can I do a gradient for this? I guess not.
I don't think I have
Do I have
either
a...
after getting TK.
I don't have a red color shape in my splash.
Bro, this round, James soaked up all
dumb.
my bullets because
Alright,
he's
cool.
running away.
Let's do that. Is the voice in my head being loud again? Not today, that's just my little brother.
Where is this?
He's playing Siege. So we got the game over here. I don't want to do anything on top of that. Let's add a couple of more labels. So we're gonna have network label. We're gonna go like day survive label. Let's see. Hey, wait, hold on. That's huge. That's awesome, Daves. What do you want me to call next? I'm gonna call you Nexus. That's awesome. What kind of music were you making? And let's do that. And do I want to put these inside of a? Yeah, I'll put these on a horizontal label.
Oh lord.
Box. That's not the one. I need a vert box. Be a box container, and we'll put these in there, and we'll make that center. And we'll try to get like up a little bit. Yeah. Why are you doing that? Why are you being like that? There you go. Let's see, net worth label. We're gonna call this one Max. Let's see, Max.
Then he
Net
TK'd me
worth.
and said, nah, they did a run out. We're on layer.
And put like money sign and some. And it's like days.
They have to run like 60 meters to see
Days
me.
in business. And like some more numbers on top of that.
I could
Make
just
sure
gotten
both
up,
of these
bro.
are going to be center and center.
No, I guess he did spin back for Ade.
Oh snap!
No, you spun back. You spun back. It's okay.
That's huge. Were they gonna use it like just for like leisure or like actually using like Dead by Daylight?
Dead ass.
Either way, that's
Did
awesome.
I actually shoot you that much?
Kind of made it as like a game music maker. That's what you were doing at that point.
He genuinely. Bro, you know how far away layer is from all the sites, right?
Display text? No.
This man turned
font
around and
size
shot me
is
that. It's like,
what I
bro,
want.
they did a run out.
Oh, cool.
There's
That
no
does
way.
do that. That's still pretty
I mean,
huge.
I guess I deserve it for killing you, but god
Good stuff,
damn,
Nexus.
bro, that man just took me out. And now I have zero.
Try to drop a
kills.
link to it.
Like that.
I want to hear some of that stuff.
We'll see what happens.
No. I want to. I think a separator was like one of the things. It uses a horizontal line. I don't want that. I'm just gonna add a control node in between these two, like that. And we'll say for layout, let's see if I remember how to do this properly. Container sizing. We want to expand on the vertical and say you need. Let's do the ratio where it's like this needs this much right here. Like let's set this to like 6. And for these two, we will set the layout to. Yeah, I forgot to do this. Sick. You should put that in your bio. You're certified. You're a Dead by Daylight certified musician.
Good job.
See, I don't want to do this.
I'm making pizza. What?
Is it doing that
Moving dough.
in the oven?
I am.
Excited.
95 degrees.
Very cool. Bleh. I always forget how to do this. Here, let me click this link and I'm gonna copy it. Put it in the external browser. Check it out later. Nope, okay, I just took my own chat. Hold up. Trying to. Can I just straight up copy it or no? It's gonna make me through. It's gonna make me go through this back at home. I got this.
I'm not gonna act like I'm not sure. Don't say we, talk about you guys, I'm sure.
Ooh, shoot.
How are you alive?
Ooh, I just heard a little bit about this. Hold up. Hold up. I already like the intro on the piano there. Okay, we're gonna like, I'll like either end the stream, listen to some of it, or I'll listen to off stream, depending on what you're comfortable with. How the hell do I add division for? I completely forgot how to do this.
Creepy.
Pretty. Wanna make sure you get the proper shout out. Dude, okay, I'm gonna figure this out. Horizontal alignment, justify text. This is so dumb because I could just manually move it, but I want to remember how to do this exactly. Container sizing, dollar shrink center, no, expand. Because like this needs, what I want to do is like this control node right here, which acts as our separator, needs to have like a ratio of. Let's say it needs like a spacing of 10, right?
No, it was necessary.
And it should expand to whatever that maximum is. And then for this label right here, I don't know, can I do something here? No. But for these guys right here, what I want to do is I want to make it so like they don't actually need that much. And I vaguely remember this is how it's supposed to be done, and I'm not exactly sure if that's right or wrong. Like if I do this, layout direction, see this? No. Like if I just duplicate this control like that, it's gonna add a bunch of them.
What? Why are you leaving?
But this isn't 100% of what I want to do.
You don't want to play with us?
I think it's, oh god, I think it's because it's taking into, like, my textures into account. And that's what it's doing. Or maybe it's like custom minimum size. So like I need to increase the Y a little bit. Yeah, okay, that was it. Cool. And if I do this, it's not gonna do anything. We'll figure that out later, but for now, this works as is. Take our V-box separator. We'll move this bad boy down like that. And I'm thinking,
You should play with us.
let's see,
You should play with us because
spacer. Oh, those are caps. Spacer. I'm thinking finally, like, just to add on like the little bits to this because we just want this to be done. We'll add like a quit button and a return to main menu button once we have like the main menu. So let's do that. I'll be a good developer. Add an H box. So we actually have this. Let's see. So we actually have proper spacing. We will add 2 buttons to this guy here. And that, and you should be anchored to the bottom, like that. There we go. And button 2 should be play, or let's see, return to, or we'll call this one just main menu. And we'll call this other button quit. And we want these to be the same size.
Top 1,000?
So what I want to do actually, or we're gonna try to figure this out. Main menu button, and this one will be the quit button. I need to figure out how to make these the exact same size. So the first thing we want to do is I want to add in another control node just to act as our separator in between the 2 guys here. Then what we want to do is want to set the control nodes. Oh wait, I know what else I need to do here. Completely forgot. Layout. Center bottom. We want this to be the bottom Y. There we go. And we also want to control the way that happens. Right, sweet. Get all these guys here. Layout. How do we want to do this? How do we want to do this? Line in center. Here we go. And what we want to do, custom minimum size content. Is this affecting, this is not affecting the children of the box. What we want to do is we want to mess with this, and we want to increase the font size on each of these. So if I go to my main menu button here, and I can go theme override, select font sizes. That's step 1 of what we want to change. Text behavior, no. It's mostly the quit button we need to figure out. Layout. Container sizing. Expand. Okay. Let's do the same thing for the main menu button. Container sizing.
I like not even actually.
Expand. Okay. That's a 1, step 2. This guy right here. Let's go for our layout.
Yay!
Container sizing. Expand. There we go. And now what we can do is we can... Yeah, okay, now I remember how to do it. What's crazy to you? The fact you got some, like, crazy recognition already? Because that's huge. I don't even know already. Yeah, ride that high. That's awesome. Especially by, like, already a big studio, too. That's huge. What's next for you? What's the next big famous thing you're going to do? Since you're essentially famous now. What's the next thing I want? I think I want theme overrides for the font sizes for the buttons. Cool.
Whoa, what?
Got that going on there.
What the hell?
You can make some raps? Yeah, no problem. I'll be here. I'm gonna take a quick break to eat anyway. Let me just save what I've done so far. Always gotta back up your projects. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Progress, wrap up. Added, let's see. Added stat tracker for net worth. Net worth is 2 words. Oh. Let's try tracker net worth and work in progress lose screen. There we go. Alright, I'll be back in a bit. Just gonna take a few bites of food. Just take a quick brain break. We'll be back to finish the rest of the screen. Yo, I see y'all. I'm gonna grab a quick glass of water. Also, welcome to the stream, Vector Mind. How you doing? How you doing? I'm gonna see you back, Dr. Nexus.
Bro,
hope
both of
these
them hopped out
raps are fire. Walk us through with this. Oh, actually, hold on. Let me get my water real quick. I'll be right back. Walk us through those raps, and we're gonna do some more work on the blue screen. BRB again. Vector 9, I'm sorry. I got it wrong. Revert that sudden explosion. Put it back. We don't have the budget to clean it up. Alright. Vector 9. Alright. Let's finish up the screen I've made here. So this is all good and dandy. On explodes. Nice, nice, good. I'm glad we have the technology for that. That could have been really bad. I don't know how to like decrease the margins in a way where it looks correct. Well, actually, what I can do is I can do that, and I can just, I guess, center it. Nope, can't mess with that. Can mess with this though. I could honestly hold on. Let me just anchor it to the center bottom. No, no, dude. All right, there we go. And reduce the amount. It's such a no. All right. I did not listen to the song without you. I went to go get some food. I was munching on food, looking at Instagram reels, like a good American or whatever. I guess 20-year-old something, 20-something. You're coding in Python. You're bored. Well, welcome to GD Scripts, Python 2. All right, there you go. Hey, my Nez38. What's good? Welcome to the stream. How you doing? All right, okay. I'm gonna keep these buns as is. We're gonna do that as is. E. I'm not gonna press the letter E. Do you know what that'll do to my computer? It'll destroy it instantaneously. Actually, I think that's one of the keywords I have to. Yeah, I actually need to press that quite frequently. All right. What's the last thing we gotta do here? I think actually making these buttons work is probably necessary. Yeah, what do you guys think? I should actually make the buttons do stuff, right? Let's add a script to this, though. Make sure to save to the scripts folder. You ready to see? It's the meme. I know about the E meme. Totally. It totally came to mind. I'm hip. I look at memes in the internet and like other stuff. I'm not secretly like a 60-year-old man in the body of a early 20-year-old man. I wear trendy shirts. Alright, listen up, the N-word. Look at this organization, dude. There is none. Blue screen, open, create thing. Now, what we're gonna do is we are going to make this main button do nothing because it's not gonna do anything right now.
Oh, what the hell? Oh my god.
How do I want to handle this? Do I want the loose screen to actually have any scripts on it, or do I want the do I want my main to handle that? Because it could just be, it's probably super easy if I just have it handled from main. That's what we're gonna do. We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna add a script to this. We're actually gonna delete the script, dude. It's not even gonna be real. Hey, thanks for the like, whoever that was. I can't see it from my chat thing. I appreciate you. We're gonna drag this bad. Oh wait, you can just press enter to rename stuff. Dude, I didn't know that. We're up right now. All right, lose screen, baby. There we go. And have that only function while pause. Actually, no. What am I talking about, dude? I do want to have this. I want to have the blue screen be its own scene. Completely forgot I did that. I had this whole plan, and I didn't listen to the plan. Where is it? There it is. Node script. So, what we're gonna do here? The more I know, dude, I'm trying to stay ignorant. What the hell? I don't want to expand my knowledge and become a better person. What? No. Let's learn how to. Let's learn how to what's it called? Words that I know that mean stuff. Don't worry, I can speak. Let's learn how to do scene switching inside of Godot. And to make sure I don't dock myself for the 15th billionth time. They're playing without me! No! Those bastards. For all y'all that don't know, there is a the company that made what's it called? The company that made Totally Accurate Battle Simulator made what's it called? Hold up, I gotta finish this. There we go. The company that made Totally Accurate Battle Simulator drops a April Fool's game every year, and they just what's it called? They just dropped their newest one today, which is kind of like a horror goofy game. I already know that it's about to be heat. Hold on, pros and cons for adding new scenes. I'm already scatterbrained. We're gonna just finish up this blue screen. We're gonna have it load in. And yeah, actually, this is what we're gonna do. We don't even need to do all this, dude. I am losing my mind. So what's gonna happen is this loot screen is gonna pop in. It's the only thing that can be that can function while it's paused. Nothing will function while it's not paused. So that loot screen process when paused. There we go. Awesome, done. Now all we have to do is we have to just do this thing here, and we're gonna say funk, or we need a reference to everything we need specifically, which is net worth label and days label. Bloop. That access is unique name. Then we're gonna say funk update labels, and it's going to take a couple of arguments. One will be net worth or max net worth, and that's gonna be a float of some kind, and the comma will be days. And that's gonna be int. Then we're going to void that nonsense. Then we're going to go here. Hey, let's see. You joined me, said I was losing my mind. Have I said that today? You're making your own game, you're letting down side because how much it wasn't working. That proves that you're a good game maker. Honestly, if things were going correctly and you're mentally stable, what are you even doing, man? Doing software engineering. And the game I'm making, also welcome to the stream. The game I'm making is a potato growing tycoon simulator where like potatoes are also stocks. This was supposed to be a very simple game that was supposed to take a month. We're 2 months in now. This is not going to be the game I make for a Steam release. This is still totally like I'm practicing. But yeah, we're 2 months in. A lot of hair falling out. It's not looking good. We're about to make the first loot screen. I'll show you guys the potatoes later once things are balanced. Let's just make this update labels thing happen. So what we're gonna do is, I think the current label is that where we have max net worth. You're in the midst of making your dream game. Okay, hold up. You're gonna give us a little sneak peek of what's it gonna be about. You're gonna give us a little elevator pitch, or is it secret? Am I gonna have to wish this on Steam? Give me the deets. I want to steal them. Let's see. We want to set this bad boy here. We don't need a reference to it. Dot text is equal to max net worth, and that's gonna be that, and it's going to be plus. Oh wait, hold up. $sign. There we go. And it's gonna be plus an STR of what our max net worth is, and then we're going to do return for the days label here, and we're gonna say days label dot text is equal to days in business. And it's gonna be dot space and an STR of days. There we go. Hey, why is that an error? Because I forgot the plus for the concatenation. It's for a business class you're doing, and it's for a business class. Wait, hold on. I'm sure. You accidentally started it for a business class you're in? Oh snap, I am totally down. If you're looking for playtesters. They're after fire. I'm glad to hear that, Deos. What's in it? Walk me through it. I'm hungry. Let me eat vicariously. Okay. And we're just gonna have to quit button be the one that's functioning. So on press quit button, and we're gonna say not all of that. We're gonna do get tree dot quit. Yay. Delicious. Awesome. Yeah, I do have a Discord. If you use the link in the thing, the description or whatever it is. I think I put it in the video. You can join the Discord server. There's a bunch of people there who are willing to play test too. But yeah, join there. Here's the ducky. Okay, for sure. Hit me with it. Let me copy it real quick. You want to learn Godot? It's hard. Godot, you know, it's if you haven't like programmed before, Godot can be super daunting. Let's see the ducky DUCCY. Let me write that down on a notepad. Godot is super daunting, or it can be super daunting if like you haven't programmed before, or like really if you haven't made games. I mean, game making within itself is kind of it can be daunting, but Godot's one of the more beginner friendly ones. For the devlog video, which is 25% of your project, yeah, I'm down. Yeah, it's also super similar to Python. Like a lot of times when I need to learn how to do something in Godot, I actually look at the Python docs to get like some syntax response or syntax like tips if I don't want to go to the Godot docs. Yo, it'd be cool if I played your playtest on the stream, Duck, at one point. Yeah, I'm excited. Thanks for reminding me. This is gonna be dope. This is all about game dev networking.
Yeah, they were
As you, we'll talk after the stream. What we do? What was I saying? But yeah, give it a try, Deus. You can literally run Godot off of a Chromebook or something weaker. And Godot has a lot of like really good intro to it projects, which makes it a lot of fun. I enjoy it a lot. So for the get tree button, or for the get tree, yeah, what we want to do is, well, basically we want to, it's 3 a.m. I'll wake up late again. How am I gonna mix my song? Here, you have to go sleep in like 5 minutes so you can chat tomorrow. You just, oh, okay, for sure. No, I was gonna end the stream about 15 minutes ago, so let's back it up here. We're gonna listen to your song Deus, since it's late for you, and we want to get that out there. And hopefully before you have to hop up, Doug, we can listen to Deus' song real quick. Let's see, work in progress. Use screen. Let's back that shiz up. Listen to Deus' song, and we're gonna close the stream out here. Can turn off the lo-fi. Bring it open over here. Alright, we're peeping it. Let's see. Alright, so we got Melancholy. And this is Deus Ex Nexus' song from the chat. Right here. Here's their profile. Check it out. Let's listen to it. I already love this. This is great. Okay. Yeah, this does slap. Yeah, let's talk about that actually, Deus. I would love to use like some of the stuff in like some YouTube videos I've made.
I don't know where everybody else was.
Or I'm making.
What, man?
Yo, I love like the kind of like reverse. I don't really know how to describe like the reverse, like the time reverse beat you got in there.
Talking about bands that you probably don't even have. Do you have bands? You constantly talk about bands.
How long you been working on music? This is awesome.
I could have sworn your card declined at the. Ale, where did this card decline?
Like this is a whole vibe right here.
Damn, that is crazy.
Yo,
bargain.
everyone's watching right now.
Wow,
should do some love right here. This is good.
What is that then? Damn. Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, you know when I'm like looking for more tracks, I'm like, wow, this is really good.
Are they first one? Okay, no, they're not. Nah, I'm straight, bro.
Oh, you got the coffee page too? Hell yeah.
Alright, well, they're basement.
Alright, I'm saving it.
I'm straight.
Alright, I can't think of a better way to end the stream. We got a first stream back after being sick for a week, so let's go. It's been a fun one. Let's do our thanks at the very end. Gotta go now. Can you get the Discord link to stay in touch? Yes. Here, let me show you the Discord server link real quick. It is in the description of the stream. But let's see if I can find it real quick. so I can just
How do you get downstairs on this?
send it out. Yeah, but hop on that. There's a lot of great people there. And you should join the 2 days if you want. We don't have many musicians in there. Yeah, for real. And I'll show you the DM too, Duck, so we can talk about that. But yeah, this was I'll put the stream link. I'll put the Discord link there, and I'll put it in the
How did I
YouTube
not-
chat.
Oh, my DB shoot on the screen.
So I'll make sure
Okay,
everything's
that's
going
good. How
good.
did that when it happens?
There we go. All right, for sure, y'all. This is fun. Let's do a quick thanks as we finish up. Special thanks to Deus Ex for being the first chatter, and also welcome to the stream. Hope to see you again. Let's see who else we got here. The Vector 9, making sure I get that. Thank you for unexploding. I will make sure to remember your name so you don't explode again. We don't want that. Welcome to the stream too. The Doug, hey, I'm looking forward to that beta. Thanks for hopping in. I'm glad to know I'm not the only game dev losing my mind at the same time. And I think who else saw someone pop up in here? Oh yeah, take it easy, Duck. Get some good sleep. You too, Deus Ex. Let's see.
Actually, no, I'm very mad.
Yeah, sorry. I wish there was a more complex way I could describe it, but I'm glad I'm glad people are giving the response. You know. Whenever I make a game, I'm just like, this is going to be a thing that I make, and if people like it, good. There's one more person I think that hopped in and just said, hey. Oh yeah, there we go. Mines38. All right, I think that's gonna do it. I think that's everyone I got. I hope to see you guys again. I stream every day, Monday through Friday actually, from 11 a.m. to for about 2 hours. So 11 a.m. PST to 1 p.m. PST. But yeah, we're just doing a bunch of fun stuff here. All right, guys, I'll check you in the next one. Hope you have a great rest of your Monday evening, and y'all take it easy. Hold on, if I'm wrong. There we go. Peace.